and welcome to this video. If you are wondering why I'm in a bathroom, you probably did not read the title of this video because I'm going to give my cat a bath today and he's right here. This is Melon and you know him already if you watch my other videos. And he's a munchkin kitten, or he's a munchkin cat, and he is very lovely. But he is an indoor cat and he is allowed in every room. So I have to bath him quite often for my sake and for his own sake. So I thought I would film it today because it has been a long time since I have been giving him a bath last time. So I'm quite nervous because I don't know how he will handle this. But yeah, he's already not happy about the situation. So maybe we should just get into this video and see where this takes us. Wish me luck. Okay, Bella, come here. Now we need to find a temperature that is not cold, but it's not hot either. So let's see, Bella. Yay, you can do this! He doesn't say a single sound. I'm so impressed with you. Okay, there it comes. Okay, let's get this off. No, Bella! Bella! No! So. Yeah. Come baby. Okay. Yeah, good boy. That went very good, actually. Yeah, it was so good. Okay guys, now he's gonna use the next hour on cleaning himself. He kind of looks like a little rat right now. Come here. No. He was about to go to the toilet, and the worst thing that he can do right now is go to the toilet because I just gave him a bath and the cat sand will stick all over his little body. He has done that before. Oh, Melon, please dry yourself first. No, Melon. But of course, if he has to go to the bathroom, then he has to go to the bathroom. So what can I do about that? Now he's just gonna get a little dirty again. Okay, but that went pretty easy actually. He did so good. And he normally does, but it has been so long, so I did not expect this. Yeah, he jumped out of the bathtub one time and I got quite wet, but that's all right. I have cat sand everywhere now, so that's nice. Thank you, Melon. Melon, come, can you show them? Guys, I feel like if you want to have a cat that can have a bath, you just need to do it from they are little. Like when I got Melon, I think I gave him a bath every other week, and then he just slowly got used to it, and That's very nice for me now, because I can actually give him a bath without struggling like a lot. I have another cat, Peaches, and I can definitely not give him a bath without almost getting ripped apart. So that is definitely not the case with Melon, and yeah, I would just recommend that you do it from they are little. And if you have a big cat and they are like Peaches, then just give up. I could never bath Peaches, I could not. He's crazy. Like, he's the sweetest thing, but not when you give him a bath, then he gets crazy. So yeah. I'm brushing him right now because he is almost dry. I didn't want to do it while he was wet because that's not good for the hair. So right now he's almost dry, so I'm just quickly brushing his hair so he will get very cute. And as you can hear, he likes it. He's purring, but he also kind of want to play with me, so my niece just came with a toy for him that she made, and it's this one. She put something inside it so it says sounds, and I think he will enjoy that when he will be in mood for playing. So I just wanted to finish this video, guys, because I'm going for a run now, and that's why I have this ugly shirt on. But thank you so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you again very soon. Me and Melon have quite a few videos together. We have been throwing him a photo shoot, for example, so if you have not seen them, go check them out too. I will link them down in the description. And other than that, I will see you again very soon. Goodbye.